Number 344. An angle is 8 times larger than its supplement. What is the measure of the smaller angle? So let's say one angle is x, the other angle is y. Because we're dealing with two angles, we don't know the value of those two angles, but we'll call them x and y. In order to solve for two variables, we need two equations. So first, we know that the two angles are supplementary based on this keyword. That means that they add up to 180. Now we also know that one angle is 8 times larger than its supplement, which is the other angle. So if y is the larger angle, we could say y is 8 times the other angle, or 8 times x. So we could solve by substitution. Let's replace y with 8x. So we have x plus 8x is equal to 180. This is 1x. 1x plus 8x is 9x. And then we could divide by 9. 180 divided by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Add the 0, you get 20. So that's the value of x. Y is 8 times that. So 8 times 20 is 160. And they both add up to 180. Now, our goal is to find the measure of the smaller angle. The smaller angle is 20, so A is the answer.